Hey, what's up, Bitcoin coin holders? Welcome to another brand video. Today we will talk about the Bitcoin latest price target. Definitely this time, my friends, Bitcoin was completely in the resistance points. Absolutely, it was in the mid hour. But remember, my brothers, to this time, 100% chances, my friend, to it was pumps up. Don't worry, my friend. Absolutely, it will be crashed down, but very short. And absolutely, I will give you the entry, the order time. All right. So which time you will need to take a long order. All right. So remember, if you are new my channel and if you want to subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe this channel. And if you want to join Telegram group, the link is in the description for free signal. Every day we will give us 10 to 15 signals now, so you will be free, of course, get amazing profits now. All right, guys, so join now. The link is in the description, guys. This time if you look out the Bitcoin conditions, you can see it look like and the resistance lines, definitely it was in the resistance line. But my brother, if we look out, this time it was already break the upper support line. So 100%, my friend, if this time it was I think, my friend, this was just an only crash down for retesting. Absolutely, after this was pumps up. But if this was break this support line, my friend, absolutely the support line which I tell you, my friends, to 20,300 to 20,500. If they will upward from the support line 20,500, just three candles of green and 1 minute candle chart time frame, then this is confirmed to it will pumps up, my friends, to 20,800, and second target is 21,200. All right, guys, this was the targets of Bitcoin. I'm sure you will be get amazing profit from this. So if you want to join Telegram group, the link is in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for videos notification.